anytime when I place any object in Revit, Revit will ask me, where do you want to put this object in terms of elevation? So for example, if I press ME for mechanical equipment and I want to place this pump, Revit will ask me from level 0, what do you want the elevation from level? Is it 150? I can put it at 200. And when I place it, if I look at it from a section view, it will be elevated 200 millimeters from the floor, from the level. So if we measure this, it will be 200. Delete. Let's place another mechanical equipment, but this time I want to place a fan coil unit up in the ceiling. So this level is 4,000. This level height is 4,000, so I can say I need it at 2,600 from this level 0. Let's cut the section to see where are our equipment. Double click. Now here is my pump and here is my fan coil unit. Let's delete this section. Now there is something called a view range, and it's the main reason that if you put your equipment at a wrong elevation, you will not see it. So if you are placing any component in Revit and you can't see what you are placing, for example, DT for duct, and I place this duct at a middle elevation of 5,000 from level 0, I can't see what I'm drawing. First thing that we will check is visibility graphics, VV, and search for duct. So duct here is checked, so I should be able to see it. The second main problem is the view range. View range, if you click VR, top is the top plane and bottom is the bottom plane, and view depth is the depth that we will look that some offset to the bottom that we can see object below our level. I did this drawing to illustrate it. This is our duct that we were not able to see it because it was way above our top view range. This is our top view and this is our view depth. Anything between these two we will be able to see. So for example, if I lift my view depth and my bottom to above this pump, we will not be able to see it. If you click VR for view range, and our offset from level 0, if I set it to 800, and if I set also my view depth to 800, I click apply. Okay, I will not be able to see it. VR, if I set it back to 0, and for the purpose of this lesson, I will not differentiate between bottom and view depth. It's more on the architectural side and the cut plane also. I click apply. Okay, now I'm able to see it. Now if I click VR, so this is our top view. If I move it to below this fan coil unit, I will not be able to see it. DL for detail line. If I set my top view to 1500 below level 1, I will not be able to see my fan coil unit. VR for view range, minus 1500, apply. Okay, I will not be able to see my fan coil unit because my top view moved to below the fan coil unit. Back here, VR, I want to see from the level above 0 to the bottom and the view depth to be at the level the associated level. Now I will be able to see both of my equipment.